There's often some confusion when working with a hot wax or peelable wax with what direction to apply and remove. That sometimes can be because different brands have a different concept of how to use their wax. With Outback Organics, it's very straightforward. Our first rule is whether you're working with vellus hair or terminal hair, is your first application is always done with the direction of hair growth, and the patch is removed against the direction of hair growth. There are some occasions where, for example, vellus hair, which might be present on the upper lip or the face area, maybe all of the hair hasn't come out when applying with the direction of hair and removing against. So in this case, on a secondary application, to do a patch that is applied against the hair growth for application and gently with support removed with the direction of hair growth will ensure all of the hair is removed. In the following demonstration I'm going to show on the upper lip, I will do a with hair application and an against hair application to make sure all the small vellus hair is removed.